Want to transfer WhatsApp chats from Android to iPhone without resetting your iPhone? I'll show you how in just a minute. First, open WhatsApp on your Android phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, open WhatsApp on your iPhone and tap Agree and Continue. Next, enter the same phone number you're using on your Android WhatsApp. Then tap Next. You'll see a pop-up saying this phone number is already being used for WhatsApp Messenger. If you continue, it'll be used for WhatsApp instead. If you're okay with that, tap Continue. A 6-digit code will now appear on your Android WhatsApp. Enter this code on your iPhone. Once you do, WhatsApp will automatically log out from your Android and log in on your iPhone, bringing your chats, photos, and media with it. Just follow the on-screen instructions to finish. And that's it. You've moved WhatsApp from Android to iPhone. No reset needed. If this helped, like this video and subscribe for more quick tech tips.